So let's solve for one of these, each of them actually. So in the correlation exercise, you were given data like this, the depression and self-esteem data. For this exercise, you'll be given these values, the means of each, the standard deviations of each, and the correlation that makes them have relationships. This is the same thing we studied in the previous lesson. So if I ask you a question, let's say a patient has a self-esteem score of 76, what would their predicted depression score be? Their predicted depression score. So we have Y, we're looking for X. So we're going to use the X prime formula. There it is, predicted X. Now this is really quite simple from here on out. You take the correlation value, plug it right in there. Standard deviation of X, plug it in there. Standard deviation of Y, put it in there. Y is in the question, 76. The mean of Y, 105 and change. The mean of X, 14.125. Plug them all in, solve. 22.160 is the predicted X value. Now let's say a patient has a depression score of 11. What would the predicted self-esteem score be? Well, now we have the depression score, or the X value, and we're looking for the Y, the self-esteem value, the Y prime. So just like before, we plug in all these variables right where they're supposed to go, and we solve for the problem, and we come up with a predicted Y score of 115.797. That's how you solve these two problems.